We're starting the transformations. Watch closely the heroes that will turn into Parrot in this video. The first cartoon character we transformed into Parrot is Spider-Man. It turned out really cool. Do you agree? SpongeBob SquarePants Parrot. Talkative, colorful, mimics sea creatures, squawk. Wow, unbelievable. Pikachu became Parrot. Do you think it looks similar? Elsa Parrot. Icy feathers, magical squawks, brings winter enchantment. Let it squawk! Introducing Anna. She transformed into a cute version named Parrot. Baby Yoda Parrot uses the Force cutely, melts hearts with squawks. Squawk or do not squawk, there is no try. If I hadn't seen the picture of Sonic on the left, I wouldn't have believed it was possible. Sonic became an incredible parrot. Scooby-Doo Parrot. Mystery-solving squawker. Loves Scooby snacks. Squawk Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Minion transformed into Parrot. It resulted in an interesting look that will appeal to many cartoon fans. Optimus Prime Parrot. Robotic squawker transforms and rolls out. Autobots squawk out. Our next hero is Peter Griffin. What do you think? Does he resemble Parrot? I hope so! Bart Simpson. Parrot. Mischievous squawker. Skateboarding chatter. Ay caramba, squawk. Oh wow! Didn't expect that twist. And here's Homer Simpson turned into Parrot. Woody Parrot, cowboy squawker, loyal and witty. Reach for the squawk, partner! Buzz Lightyear transformed into Parrot. I really enjoy transforming cartoon characters into such vibrant looks. Moana Parrot, adventurous squawker, sails the skies, follows her squawking heart. I am Moana of the Squawk. And here's another cartoon character, Leo, whom we transformed into Parrot. Who's next on the list? Peppa Pig Parrot, playful pink squawker, loves muddy puddles, oink squawk. Our list still has many different transformations. Up next, Angry Bird. Take a look at how he turned out in the form of Parrot. Ralph Parrot, strong squawker, video game hero. Rex with a squawk. I'm gonna squawk it! Kung Fu Panda, do you think you'll like how he becomes Parrot? Well then take a look! Lightning McQueen, Cars, Parrot. Racing squawker, red and fast, Ka-squawk. And here we have Mr. Incredible, who with the help of magic, transformed into Parrot. It took a long time to conjure up this look, but I'm pleased with the result. Baby Boss Parrot. Bossy, suited squawker, secretly an adorable baby. Squawkies are for squawkers. Another bit of magic, and I transformed Benjamin Tennyson into a genuine and adorable parrot. I love doing this. Rick Sanchez Parrot, genius squawker, multiverse adventures, wubba lubba squawk squawk. Marshall turned into Parrot, looks absolutely incredible. If you like my videos, write in the comments who you'd like to turn your superheroes into.